In today's world of professional audiovisual and broadcasting, technology, security, trust and compliance are more important than ever. That's where TAA compliance comes in. The Trade Agreements Act, or TAA, requires that products purchased by the U.S. government come from the United States or other approved designated countries. For Pro AV and broadcasting equipment, this means your technology must be manufactured or substantially transformed in these trusted regions, ensuring quality, transparency, and supply chain security. For the Pro AV and broadcasting industries, TAA compliance isn't just a regulation, it's a gateway. Government agencies, military operations, and secure facilities demand TAA compliant solutions for video conferencing, digital signage, command centers, and live broadcast environments. Compliance ensures trusted tech that minimizes security risks and opens the door to lucrative government contracts. BZBGEAR is proud to deliver a wide range of TAA compliant solutions tailored for mission-critical AV and broadcast applications. With over half of our catalog already TAA compliant, we are striving to expand even more. From our AV over IP systems delivering flexible, ultra-low latency video over IP distribution, to our HDMI matrix switchers and professional capture devices, every TAA compliant product is designed for reliability, performance, and compliance with our government standards. When you choose BZBGEAR, you choose technology ready for federal, military, and enterprise-grade installations. Partnering with us means more than just meeting compliance checkboxes. It means working with a trusted U.S. Sacramento-based manufacturer that backs its gear with award-winning support, innovative design, and future-ready AV solutions. For integrators and contractors, this means simpler builds, stronger partnerships, and greater peace of mind. TAA compliance matters. And when it comes to secure professional AV and broadcasting solutions, BZBGEAR has you covered. Discover our TAA compliant product line today, and let's amplify your world together.